If you're from India, United States, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, United Kingdom, Philippines, Indonesia, Australia, Canada, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Malaysia, South Africa, Brazil, or any country in the world, you can grab your computer, laptop, or your smartphone device, follow these simple steps. In fact, you should follow each and every single step. Set up this passive income stream easily. Go out with your family, go out to a restaurant with your friends, party, relax, go on a vacation, come back and collect your earnings just like this. Guys, keep watching this video until the end, as I'll be giving you an underground secret method to maximize your earnings by 5 times. And if you appreciate me doing all the hard work and coming up with brand new strategies to make money online, like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon, and in that way I'll be sending you a notification whenever I upload a brand new strategy to earn money online, so you can be one of the first persons around the world to follow the strategy and make the most of it. So let's start this, guys. Step number 1. Come over to unbounce.com. Unbounce is a software that allows people to create different landing pages and different websites, guys. So people can build pages on their own, create on brand designs. Unbounce makes it simple to add favorite colors, fonts, and images and publish fast directly to your website domain, and continually grow your ROI, return on investment. Test your messaging and automatically match visitors to the best fit landing pages. So the smart traffic will help you optimize your pages to get more lead sales and sign-ups. Don't worry, you don't have to create either websites or landing pages. We are gonna set up an automated money-making strategy in less than 20 minutes, guys. I just wanted to show you how powerful unbounce.com to allow other people to create beautiful and stunning websites so easily. So as the step number 2, you have to scroll all the way down, and under the company, you have to go over to partner program. So earn 20% recurring revenue for every referral. Guys, the reason why I use unbounce.com's partner program personally is it pays every single month consistently in recurring commission, which means once you set up the system in the first place, you can keep on collecting recurring commissions every single month, guys. You refer 10 people, you earn $320 per month. Refer 25 people, $800 per month. You refer 50 people, you earn up to $1,600 US per month. And let's go to the pricing. And guys, they have monthly and annual pricing over here. Guys, this strategy is 100% free. You don't have to purchase anything, okay? We are gonna refer unbounce.com to other people. As I told you earlier, I did some research and came up with this strategy that will promote Unbounce to other people in an automated way, guys. By the way, guys, I really hope you are getting a value out of this video, and if so, like this video, leave a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button with all notifications on. Now guys, you can see the prices over here, and these are the monthly prices, and this is their annual plan, which will save them 10%. And guys, now if you promote these packages, there are some people who will purchase the annual plans, as well as they offer a 10% discount when they purchase the annual plan. And for those who want websites, they need it forever, so this will be recurring, which means if you talk about an annual plan, they will purchase 12 months of the package, right? So we can see the highest paying package is $270 per month in the annual plan. So let's see the earning potential of this website, guys. It's $270 into 12 months means this amount, and you get a 20% of that. So you get a 20% of that, $648 from one single customer, guys. So if you get 20 people to purchase your annual plan, this will be your annual income. So monthly you will get this amount. So the numbers will always change according to the package they choose. So let's move on to the third step. Again, come over down here to the partner program and sign up now. That will take you up to this window where you have to fill a basic form and answer some questions. Give your first name, last name, email, company name. If you don't have a company, give a random name and make sure you remember that name. website URL. Well, if you don't have a website, give your Instagram or Facebook pages URL, or if you have another social media account, give that URL, give your profiles URL. And if you don't have any of them, go to blogspot.com and create a blogspot URL for free and describe your audience and website. You can tell them that your audience are coming from top tier countries in the world, and tell something about your website, that your website is basically on this niche or that niche. If you have any problems filling this, you can reach up to me by joining my WhatsApp group, link down in the description, or else you can direct message me and ask if you have any questions. The size of your audience, give 1,000 to 5,000 or 5,000 to 10,000. Where the majority of your audience based, give United States, Europe, answers like that. How do you plan to promote Unbounce? In this case, you can type article writing, tutorial videos, and giving your affiliate link. And are you a current Unbounce customer? If you're a customer, yes, type yes. If not, just type no. Don't have to fill this one. Any additional notes you would like to add? If you have some additional things to add on your profile, type here. That's not necessary. If not, just type no and hit I agree and next. And after signing up, it will say Unbounce is reviewing your application, and this will take about 1 to 5 business days, guys. After they review your application, they will be sending you an email notifying that you are accepted to this. Don't worry, you'll get accepted. Then you have to come over to this dashboard. It's dash.partnerstack.com/unbounce, and then you have to go to these links, and inside the links you'll get your affiliate link, guys. Copy that affiliate link, and before that I'll show you the withdrawal options. Over here you can see you can connect your PayPal or Stripe. For the countries who don't have PayPal withdrawal options, you can connect to Stripe. Use Stripe. If you don't know about Stripe, you can Google it and see. You can connect your local bank account to Stripe and get the deposits to your bank account. And if you are withdrawing more than $130 each month, Stripe will be the most cost efficient, and your cash will be deposited right into your bank account. Okay, and guys, now you have your referral link, and let's see how to get a quality audience to your referral link, guys. For that, you have to come over to Quora.com. Guys, Quora.com works like a forum. In fact, Quora is a platform that everyday people like you and me come to post images, videos, ask questions and answer questions. And I was talking about a quality targeted traffic who will click on your referral link and even buy your product. Now let's come over to SimilarWeb.com. SimilarWeb is a tool that will analyze websites. So according to SimilarWeb, this is interesting. Quora.com gets 558.3 million total visits per month. Imagine 558 million people are visiting Quora.com. 40% of that is coming from the United States, guys. So you can imagine the traffic of Quora, and this is where you can get super free and targeted traffic, guys. So you have to sign up to Quora. You can sign up via your Google account, guys. And here, after signing up, you can type how to create a landing page. And see, guys, there are loads of questions and answers out here, and here you can sort by the questions, answers, posts, profiles, topics, spaces, and see the amount of questions and answers they got. And you can even search for like how to create a website. The sky is the limit, guys. See, how do I create and design websites? How do I build a website? Inside these also there are lots of questions and answers. So find a question, answer, and give your referral link, but make sure you don't spam by just giving your link, guys. Obviously you have to stand out by providing value and building trust. In this case, how do I build a website? You can type an answer like there are a number of ways of making a website. In my case, I used this software to make my website. That was awesome. They created a stunning website, and they even doing these services for me, you can go to unbounce.com and get some features of them. So if you don't have any idea what to type and all, like you can get something from here, you can answer them that. This will give your small business a competitive advantage by marketing with conversion intelligence. This is the fastest way to build relevance and increase your chance of getting each and every visitor to convert. It's simple, right? Copy this and go to a question like this and hit answer and paste it and paste your affiliate link over here. Simple. This will take less than 30 minutes, guys. And you can also go over to answers.com. This also similar to quora.com. Here also you can log in from here and do the same thing. You can answer questions, search for a question and answer. And guys, I really hope you got a value out of this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Like this video, share with your mates, subscribe. Thanks for watching.